Yes,
Hey,
sir.
what's up, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this video, go ahead and give this video a big like. Try and get this video to 100 likes. Hey, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out those other giveaway videos. We are giving away the Jordan 1.
Yes,
It's given away
sir.
on 1 August, so make sure you comment on the right video. We have a men's, kids, and women's video. Make sure you comment on the right video.
Yes,
So today
sir.
we have the Jordan recaps. So last week we only had pretty much one shoe come out. It was the Jordan 1 UNC toe. Of course, you already know I had picked these up on the sneaker app, the shop drop.
Ooh.
I got these
Mm.
grade school. And then this Saturday from Hibbett's, I was able to secure my size, a size 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, he did. Yes, he
We
did.
got the size
Sneakerhead.
10 right here.
Yes,
Got the
sir.
grade school right here. Let me
Yes,
know in the
sir.
comments, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yeah.
We're not going to
Yeah.
go into a full detailed review because we already did that already. If you haven't done so already, go check out the video right here. So
Yes,
that
sir.
concludes our recaps for this video. Moving on to the updates. What you got, my brother?
So updates, we on July the 29th. We got those Air Jordan 3 Palominos. They coming out on the 29th. Like I mentioned, asking price for those are $200. Those are a men's size shoe. So those there, I'm rocking those, bro. What are you doing?
Unfortunately, I was able to see those in person, and it's too many browns for me, and so I am dropping these. If you don't know, Jordan has partnered up with Dick's Sporting Goods, so they had closed
Okay.
our locals, Dick's Sporting Goods. They're doing a brand new grand opening. They will have those Palominos on Friday for the grand opening, and it's just too many brown colors. I'm not really a brown color person, as you can see. I like that North Carolina blue, so it's gonna be a drop for me, but
No,
I do.
bro.
Go ahead.
No, bro. No, we gotta rock those. Hey, sneakerheads, let us know if y'all rocking those or dropping those. Those shoes there with all that brown, bro, those are fall color shoe. You know me. I'm always looking how I can play them with how many outfits. That's perfect for the fall. So I'm
Hey, you
rocking
know
those.
me. I'm all about that summertime. Uh-oh. Bam.
Uh-oh.
Got
Uh-oh. No,
these.
no, you didn't.
So if you don't know, these officially
Ooh.
came out yesterday, but they did have these at DTLR when I went to go pick up these North Carolina UNC toes. This is the low version. One of the biggest difference, as you can see, it does have that blue swoosh, whereas this one has that black swoosh. Both of these do have that bread toe at the front, black hits, blue bottoms.
Yeah.
The black hat does have the UNC, so it is a lot similar. But at 110, it's a much cheaper price point. So you can't afford these, you missed out on these, then go ahead and get these.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.